Welcome back. A double strike from Anthony Shepherd steered Danvers Pen to their first win of the season as they defeated Bath 3-1 as action continued in the St. Thomas Surge Major League at the Express Sports Complex on Sunday.
In the featured encounter of a double-header, it was the red and black-clad Danvers Pen who opened the scoring through a 21st-minute strike from Anthony Shepherd. In an action-packed second half, the lead was doubled after 54 minutes when Shepherd scored his and Danvers Pen's second. Both teams were then reduced to 10 players after last-ditch fouls. First, Danvers Pen's Jaim Hall in the 59th minute, then Bath's Michael Moore in the 62nd. Bath then cut the deficit in half when Joseph Samuda scored in the 70th minute. Danvers Pen restored their 2-goal advantage when Tevin Wilson struck in the 80th minute to wrap up the 3-1 victory.
All right, so it's a good win for us. We came here very confident, draw 3 games. Today was a must win. The guys turned up on the day and they played well. We have to just continue the momentum, and improve on where we fall short, and so we can have better games to come in the next 2 games.
In the opening game, York United and 10 men Seaford Sports Club played to a 1-1 draw. It was the host and league leaders York who took the lead when a defensive error allowed Devon Lee Atkinson to score after 8 minutes. However, Seaford, who are last in the league, pulled level when Jain Main converted an 85th minute penalty. Seaford were reduced to 10 men after Tave Carr was ejected after he was shown a second yellow card in the 4th minute of second half added time.
No, we are still top of the league. So we wanted 3 points. Unfortunately, we didn't get it. But it's still a work in progress. So we'll just train again, work on the pitch and come again. We have some shortfalls with players, but they'll be back in the next leg.
Still at the foot of the table. We came here with an expectation. I think we played a poor first half. We gave them too much pace, we gave them too much respect, and they played around us. Second half, we made some adjustments, and it brought us a goal. I thought that maybe we should have won the game. We created better chances in the second half that should have given us the game, but this is what has been affecting us for the past 2 years, not killing off games when we get the chance to. And thus the result is what it is.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Allman Woodford were the only winners in Zone A of the Casafa Ray and Nephew Major League following their 4-1 win over Mountain View on Sunday. It ended 1-1 between Rockfoot and Santos, so too Central Kingston and Bull Bay. Over in Zone B, home team Pembroke Hall went down 2-1 to Medhaven United, while Police National got the better of Ligonier United by 2-0.